Judge Jagannath aspirants, hello and welcome to Jigyasa Junction's Prelims Quick Bites series. Today we will be diving into a key body in India's economic landscape, the Monetary Policy Committee, the MPC. Okay, let's revise. MPC was established by the recommendation of the Urjit Patel Committee for the Economic Reforms in 2015 and it was set up in 2016. Okay, by amending the RBI Act of 1934. But how exactly does it impact us? The primary objective of the committee is inflation targeting, or to be very specific, it's flexible inflation targeting. Why flexible? Because it has to maintain price stability, keeping in mind the objective of growth. Okay, how does it do that? It does that by setting the repo rate. The repo rate is the rate at which the RBI lends to the banks. Okay, all other monetary policy tools are actually adjusted according to the repo rate that is recommended by the committee. Okay, the inflation target that is decided by the government of India, yes, government of India and not the RBI. The inflation target is fixed by the government of India in consultation with the RBI every 5 years. Remember this, it's very important. Next, what is that range? That range is actually 4 plus minus 2%, that is 2% to 6% is the range, and this inflation is nothing but the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. Okay. Now let's break down the structure of the MPC. The MPC actually comprises 6 members, 3 from the RBI and 3 are appointed by the central government. The 3 are from the RBI are the ex officio members, the RBI governor, who is the head of the MPC. Then you have the RBI deputy governor in charge of monetary policy, and the third one is an RBI official in charge of monetary policy. These 3 are ex officio, and the other 3 members are appointed by the selection cum search committee headed by the cabinet secretary, and they are appointed for a period of 4 years. Next, let's talk about how decision is made in the MPC. It's actually made on the basis of voting, and each of the 6 members has one vote. Well, in case of a tie, the RBI governor, who is the head of the MPC, will have the second uncasting vote. But this vote is not a veto. Okay, the RBI governor does not have a veto vote, but has a second uncasting vote only in case of a tie. This committee should meet at least 4 times a year, and the meeting happens only if the quorum is met, and the quorum for a meeting is 4 members. That is, Ati Comrade Nihati 4 member out of the 6 members should be present in a meeting to take place. Next, some points. The monetary policy report is actually published by the RBI after every 6 months, that is half yearly intervals. And our important clause that is mentioned is the RBI will be deemed to fail if the range is breached for 3 consecutive quarters. That is, the range of 2 to 6% is breached. That is, the inflation becomes less than 2% or it becomes more than 6% for 3 consecutive quarters, that is 9 months. Then the RBI would be deemed to fail, and the RBI is accountable and has to report to the government citing reasons for this particular failure. Okay, so by maintaining the inflation within a safe range, the MPC helps ensure that the economy remains stable and at the same time grows at a sustainable rate. Clear? That's all for this quick bite. If you are interested to solve 10 PYQs daily to boost your confidence, do join the Telegram channel of Jigyasa Junction. The link is in the description. Also, to get more such quick bites, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Jagannath.